Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another hair video. I'm gonna dig right into this video. This hair I got from Sam's Beauty, and that's an online store just in case you guys do not know. And this hair is the Empress lace wig, and it has frontal lace edge. So I guess the whole top part has the lace there. It's not like really a closure or anything. So you guys will be the first people to see me open this box, literally unboxing it right now. I haven't tried it on or anything yet. So this is the packaging. That's how the hair comes. You literally go in and it has the wig in there. Alright. It looks like it comes in several different colors. It comes in 9 colors actually. So these are the different shades the hair come in. I got 1B because I was trying to remain basic as usual. It's pre-plucked. It comes in this wave pattern. It's like a wavy type hair curl. So that's how it looks. So it has an adjustable elastic band at the back of the hair and a comb at the back. Oh, it only comes with one comb. It only comes with one comb. So yeah, I guess you would have to adjust it with an elastic band at the back of the hair. And I will put it on to see how it fits, to see if I need to adjust it or not. I have a big head, so I don't think I'll have issues adjusting it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the hair on. It comes with baby hairs as well. This is how she looks, guys. Ooh, this is a lot of hair. I usually like to wear my hair like big, so this hair is perfect for me because, you know, that's how I usually wear my hair. Alright, so I don't think I need to do any adjustment because it fits very, very tight. Like, I mean, if you try to like snatch it off, it will snatch off, but if I like move my hair around, it's not going to fall off or anything. It's very, very tightly secured. Alright, so oh, it's already shedding. This, we found one error. It sheds. I think I'm gonna plug it a little bit more because it's very full at the edge area. It said it's pre-plugged and all, but I don't think it's plugged enough. So I will plug it a little bit at the top and the front and the part as well. And I'll apply like a little bit of foundation and stuff to the part to see how that goes. Okay, so I have my scissors. I'm gonna cut up the lace now with a pair of scissors. And I'll try to go in a zigzag method so it gives it like the natural hairline. So, you know what, I'll put it on and cut it at the top of my head. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. Definitely a lot of hair. It's very full, very, very volumized. The volume is definitely there. You would have to lay the top a little bit with like a hot comb or something. But I do not have a hot comb. Since it's just center part, I will not be laying the baby hairs down. Because even if I try to lay the side edges down, you would not really see it, so there's no point. What I would do is I'm going to apply a little bit of foundation to the center part, and then I will see how that blends in. Without the foundation, it literally like blends in effortlessly, but I still want to like apply a little bit of maybe my concealer to this part so that it blends in better. Use a little brush and just go to the front part. Kind of blend it in. I'm going to my foundation. I use Bare Minerals and Cinnamon. And I will go ahead and just apply a little bit to the part. So what I've noticed so far is it's kind of tangling together at the back, and it sheds a little bit. So that is the only thing negative I have to say, but this hair is absolutely gorgeous, and for the price I got it for, it is definitely a steal. So if you're interested in this hair, I'll leave all the details down below in my description box. I mean, I've seen a lot of videos about sensational hair collection on YouTube, a lot of good reviews, some of them not so good, but nevertheless, for the price that they have it for, I feel like it's not so bad. It's definitely like a good deal. Like if you really want to buy a hair that is not Brazilian and the price will not be ridiculously expensive, you can definitely go for sensational hair, because you know the prices will not drain your bank account. Okay, it will be like you know, in a reasonable price range where you don't feel like you just spent a whole lot of money on hair. They have so many different styles in their collection, and I just love the fact that they name all their hair. Like this one is called AMANI, and they also have like other hairs with different names and all. So I just love the fact that they name all the hair so you know exactly what vibe you're going for. Like if I want to pick, you know, one of the hairs, I'll just be like, oh, I'm gonna rock AMANI today because she is like the vibe I'm trying to go for. So yeah, I will definitely be rocking this hair a lot more. It will not be just a one-time wear for sure. Let me know what you guys think about the center part. I'm gonna try to do a side part to see how I feel about that. So you guys already know that this hair comes with little baby hairs already. So that is definitely a plus. All I'm going to be doing is I will just slide it to the right, because this is my good side, okay? So the hair, like I can't make a different part or anything because the inside of the hair, I'll show you guys. So the reason I can't make a different part is the inside has just this tiny little lace, and I can't manipulate it as much. I can't make a different part or anything because it only has this tiny little lace. I thought it was going to have like a huge lace at the whole front part of the hair, but no, it just has this tiny little parting of lace. It's not as much, it's not so much that you can create a different part. So, oh, look, there's another comb. There are two more combs in the front. I actually did not notice it. I thought it came with only one comb, but they actually put two extra combs in the front. I don't think I will be using those combs. But yeah, they actually have two extra combs at the front. But being that it's just a center part here where they already parted on the middle side, I can't make a different part. So what I'm going to do is I will slide it to the right. So, and you know, I have like extra lace on this side that is going over my ear. So I will bend my ear a little bit like so, and then put the lace behind my ear. Okay. And this part, I definitely don't have enough lace going from end to end, but that is okay. We can make that work because I won't be tying the hair or anything. I'm just going to leave it. So this part is covered. So that part is covered. And for this part, I will pull the lace down and then pull the baby hairs we had already, just a little bit, and put it behind my ear. Okay, and this is the final result for for the side part, let me know what you guys think. I absolutely love it from the side because the hair is really big and oops. Oh gosh. Yeah, the hair is really big, and if you have it like on both sides, it kind of like shadows your face, so your face will not be exposed as much. But for the side part, I have this part of the hair out of my face, so you can definitely see my face a lot more, like on this side. I mean, obviously this part has like a lot of hair, so you will not be seeing my face as much, but that is okay. I just like the fact that, you know, you can move it to the side and create two different parts and two different looks. If you ask me what I like best, I will say both because I don't hate any of them. I like the center part, and I also like, I actually love the side part as well. Yeah, I definitely adore this hair. I'll leave all the details down below in my description box. This is in the color 1B and it's Sensational hair from Sam's Beauty, and it's called AMANI, just in case anybody is interested in buying it. You can also check other websites. I'll try and find different websites online that has this hair, and I'll leave it down below in my description box as well, because I'm pretty sure Sam's Beauty is not the only online store that sells sensational hair, so I will definitely leave other stores in my description box for anybody that is interested in getting this hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to comment your thoughts on this hair. Also comment what videos you would like to see in the future. If you're new on my channel, thank you so much for joining the team, and I would say please subscribe so that you be part of my family. I will be posting a lot more, so you don't want to miss out. And also click the notification bell so you get notifications every single time I post. This is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video.